Hello everybody, this is Rain and I'm gonna show you all how to do Sunshine of Your Love from the guitar. And there are few videos that have complicated results of Sunshine of Your Love, very hard. And it's just easy too. Maybe you've seen this before, but let's teach you. Okay, first off, you start off with the 10th string like D. You only use your first and third string. The first hand goes to the 10th string 10th fret 6th string, and the third hand goes to 12th fret second 5th string 5th. Okay, sorry about that word. Then you strum on the first floor, but that's strum like this, only one, only that first string. And after that, you switch it below. See? I'll go here. Like that. And after that, you do this part. Like, forget this other thing. This. After that, you do press 12 string like this. After that, then you just slide. And then after that, we'll start with the second one. It's just below. It's just the same. See? See? It's just the same. And you do this, the first one 4 times, second one second times, and the third time it's still as the first one, but this time it's second, only 2 turns. And after that, we'll go to the chorus. A bar chord, C bar chord, and G bar chord. We do it 3 times, and after that, you do 7 downstroke of A bar chord. See, and that's the end of the tutorial. You do it more because I'm running out of time. It's so late. I do my videos at very end. Now it's 10 o'clock. Sorry. This is RPG Recto signing out. Bye.